Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are currently over in Worthing, West Sussex. The weather is a little bit fresh, to say the least. It was pretty rough yesterday all day, pissing down all day. And the waves were huge. They're pretty big today, as you can see. Not like yesterday. Yesterday was pretty scary. I wouldn't like to be on any boat. But as you can see here, the sun is lovely. The sun has come out. There's the Promenade for Worthing. Gonna have a little look around probably a bit later on. It's going to be this evening. Our hotel's just over there. There's another hotel further down. One of the problems around here is parking. Parking is a real issue. Our hotel, car park, first come first serve, very small, and then if you do park on the front from evening time, then you've only got from whatever time you drop it off, evening time, 8-9 o'clock, till 8-9 o'clock the following morning to get it moved, unless you're going to get a fine. But yeah, there's a lot of movement. There's a lot of people coming down here now, joggers, riders, and people just walking around. Anyway guys, I've got to get going because we're going to be going on the train over to London, so we're going to get some more content while we're over there. And I hope you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give us a thumbs up and a comment, much appreciated. Until next time, I'll speak to you again very soon.